Hey, good morning everyone. It should be Monday morning for most of you. I'm just posting a little update. I haven't been able to post the last video I made last week. I'm going to post that today, it's Sunday, and then I'll post this one tomorrow on Monday. But I'm going to start right here texturing the rest of this wall, and then I'll move on, probably go back over what I've already done over here, and we'll see how it looks later. Alright, so here we are today. I got this wall done right here, this little section, this corner, all the way down. I have some cleanup to do, obviously, but it's looking really good. I'm liking it a lot. So that's it for today. I am going to go put this on the computer and edit it and hopefully post it up in the morning. Alright, everyone. Everyone have a good week, have a safe week, and we will see you next week. Peace.